action. Hey guys, up next, we're going to be doing a studio tour. Welcome to P Money's All Things Disney Review. So, today we'll be doing a studio tour. So the studio tour is gonna be pretty good. You're probably gonna love my studio. We're gonna be talking about what's up above here, what's behind me, what's behind the desk, what does it feel like from my perspective, and more importantly, what's behind the camera. So let's begin it. So, as you can tell right here, we have the desk and stuff. So we have Minnie and Mickey here, Black Panther Lego set, 2 droids here, and we got candy corn lights. Here, I'm gonna plug these in real quick. And then there we go, we got the candy corn lights all lit up. And we got the Navi collectible figures that we did the unboxing of very, very recently. The Disney Field Guide where I take notes, and that's basically everything over here. Coming over here, we have, in this little basket here, we have pens. This isn't whiteout, but this is the stuff that I used to draw on the slapper. So I like to keep that in there, along with some whiteout, scissors, highlighters, and glue. You basically never know what you're gonna need when you're taking notes, and while you're taking notes in here. So yeah, and here we have some more pens and pencils, and here we have some little erasers. I got this Dr. Seuss one, Superman, Christmas one in there. Then here we have some tape. So yeah, so then here we have pinboard, Bat Mickeys. Up there, that is my lantern that I got from the Japan Pavilion a long time ago. And yeah, following over here, we have the plush section. Here we have the Cruise, Dumbo, Oso, Rex, Figment, and the newest man, Falcon here. And so on Instagram, I did post a picture of him, and you saw his little goggles, which, well, everybody saw his goggles. But one thing you didn't know is that he has eyes. He has little eyes right there. So yeah, that's pretty cute about him. You have another Bat Mickey. There's gonna be so many Bat Mickeys on this studio tour. So then down here we have Stitch, Simba, Jiminy Cricket, Perry the Platypus, Lilo, Tyler the Navi Baby Doll, Pooh Bear, Baymax, Lotso, and Oogie Boogie. In here I keep my remote control BB-8. These are right in there. Oh, I accidentally turned them on. And here we have a Jingle Bell Jingle Bam card. And then back there, that's an interstate sign. It has Florida there. Keeps on falling over. It used to be up there, but it kept on falling over, so it's basically there. But in the future, I'll put them back up. Don't worry. And then in here we have a cruise box that I got from my birthday, and in here I keep some special family memories. I have the lei from Polynesian, a tie, Wilderness Explorers, my autograph book, Castaway Club lanyard, a card from the Fabulous Four, a card from Mickey, and a wildlife spotting guide from Animal Kingdom Lodge, and a little resort card that I got from Polynesian, and in here we have the medallion and the key to Davy Jones's locker in there. So yeah, that's basically what's in there. Following that, in here we have more Bad Mickeys, and in here we have all my Disney shirts. So right here we got an Avengers, an Infinity War, Black Panther. This one you will see on the Marvel Day at Sea cruise, which we're gonna be doing next. Jack Skellington. We have Mickey Mouse, disappearing Mickey like he got snatched from Thanos. See you real soon. One of the famous quotes from Walt Disney, Star Wars, a Toy Story, a Stitch, a Thanos, Disney Cruise, and Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween sweatshirt. It's right there. And here we have a Toy Story blanket that has my name on it. The costume that my 2019 Disney costume that will be revealed very soon. And here, this is the box that the candy corn lights came in. And up there, we have some Funko Pops up there and another box up there. So yeah, that's what's in there. Right here, we have another Bad Mickey. Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween band, and Jingle Bell Jingle Bam glasses. I like to hang those up right there. And then going this way, more Bad Mickeys leading to this shelf. Here we have a Goofy that I made at Oceaneers Club. Here we have some Spider-Man statues that a friend gave to me. We have Spider-Man, Black Spider-Man, Spider-Gwen, Vulture, and Green Goblin. I know Spider-Man isn't Disney anymore, but I like to keep Spider-Man's Disney legacy alive. So yeah, and here this is the droid factory that I have the droids on the desk. I like to keep them in there, and then in here we have these two we have the Funko Pops that we also got from Disney Movie Awards along with Falcon. We have Nakia Funko Pop and Pumbaa Funko Pop. So we saw the Nakia Funko Pop box when we were showing you all the Disney shirts. And here we have some Disney reusable mugs. These are very old because Disney stopped using these. So we have a Port Orleans Resort reusable mug and a Wilderness Lodge. And then here we have my microphone that you guys sometimes see. Very Merry and Moonlight Magic guides and maps. And then these are all my books, all my Disney books. I like to keep them in there. We have Who Was Walt Disney, Wrinkle in Time, Kingdom Keepers, both 1 and 2 at Magic Kingdom and Animal Kingdom. Star Wars Jedi Academy books. If you guys are kids from P Money's All Things Disney Review and you were in like 5th or 4th grade like me, these are really good books to read. And then in here we have some old classic Disney books that my mom gave me. And alright, and that's basically that shelf. Following the shelf down, we have a DVC mug. Here we have Unicrush, the Banshee, the walker that my dad got for me, Avatar Pierce, my Dire Horse, and right here we have my Oogie Boogie popcorn bucket that we got on our 2017 cruise, Halloween on the High Seas cruise in October. You can already tell that we've used it because there are some crumbs in there. So yeah. And then following this shelf down, we have some board games that we play. These are basically kind of sort of used for storage to get stuff out of the way because we are basically actually running out of space in the house. So this is like the only place where we could find a safe spot for them. And in here we have a Monopoly, but it's not any kind of original Monopoly. This is actually our original Monopoly, but this Monopoly is the Disney Monopoly. We've played this a couple times and it actually turned out to be pretty fun. And lastly, so that's basically this entire shelf here, and then the tour we will end with a lightsaber that I got for my birthday. So yeah, that was basically. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this studio tour, and I really enjoyed the studio tour. And yeah, so go ahead and comment and subscribe down below and tell me what you think about my studio. If you are a Disney YouTuber like me and you're just starting out, I just start with a pin board, and if you have pins, and that'll just be your starting studio. But for me, but the studio actually has grown. It actually has grown. So yeah. And if you liked today's video, be sure to give it a magical ultra big thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a magical ultra big thumbs down. And also, guys, hit that bell so you can be the first to find out when a new P and Money's All Things Disney Review video comes out. So I think that's going to be it for this video today. So, like Mickey always says, see you real soon.